Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own green screen video on CapCut. So here, what you need to do is prepare a green screen background like this. You can get it from Google or Pinterest. I personally got it from Pinterest. And then just import the green screen background into CapCut. Then add your video or the video that you want to create its green screen. So go to overlay and add the clip. Okay, so for example, I want to make this video into a green screen, so you can just click on add. Okay, so after the video has been added, you can just fit the size or just leave it as it is, and then click on the green screen background and adjust the length or durations to fit into the video like this. Okay, now remove the background of the clip, so click on the overlay clip, go to cutout and choose to remove background. Okay, click on the check icon, wait for the removing background process to finish. Okay, so just wait a bit. Now you can see that the object is too small, so you can always adjust the size by zooming it in like this, for example, and after that you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.